Do second flight. I did a little adjustments with the rudder. I think that the rudder had too much movement and it was causing a little bit of speed wobbles. So I'm gonna try it again with much less rudder. It is in safe mode. I have the I haven't really gone over this yet, but I have the badass 2350 kV motor on 3-cell LiPo with a 40 amp ESC, and then a 7x6 thin propeller. It goes pretty dang fast. I don't know how fast, but it's very fast. It was fast enough to where this airframe was starting to wobble and it was getting a little sketchy and I had to slow it down. So I'm hoping with a little bit of rudder adjustment that it will fly a little straighter and a little smoother. We'll find out. I think if this thing turns out to be just too fast, like above 3/4 throttle, I may put this power plant in a different plane and maybe prop this plane down with something a little bit more manageable. And just enjoy it that way. But let's try for flight number 2. Oh yeah, so a little less speed wobble on that one. It's still very, very fast. Okay, here we go, quick pass. It's still a little wobbly. Okay, I'm gonna try to go do another pass. It's definitely really fast. I feel like it's too fast for this area that I'm flying in. Well, I was trying not to do that, but I wanted to land in the grass so it didn't break it. Hopefully that didn't break it. Let's see, I'm going to do another quick pass. It feels more stable now. It definitely went a little faster. You can tell that the motor spools up and it takes the plane a second to catch up to it. So I'm going to try one more quick speed pass and see if we can't get it on film. It's definitely hard to keep up with. All right. Full speed. Very, very fast and very wobbly. It's definitely a little bit too fast, I think, for this airframe. I'm kind of worried that I might break it. I'm bringing it down now, flying it closer to like a 1/3 throttle. It's just really, really fast. Okay, we're gonna do another quick one right here. Hold on, I'm gonna bring it back around. It's just so fast that it covers the area too quickly. Even in a low throttle, it's just too fast. Like this is like a 1/3 throttle maybe. It just feels a little bit too fast. Okay, I'm going to set up for another quick speed run. Okay, I'm going to drop it down now. See if I can't bring it in for a safe landing. Nice. Should be totally fine in the grass.